Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to explain how do we solve linear equations. But before I start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to stay tuned. So basically guys, I will start with the definition of linear equation. So a linear equation or linear equations are equations that can be written in the form ax plus b equal to 0, where both a and b are real numbers and x is the unknown part, and of course a should be different than 0 in this case. And so as particular examples, as you see here, 2x minus 3 is a linear equation in which a is equal to a is equal to 2 and b is equal to negative 3, and as you see x is the unknown part. Also, for example, we can say that 3a plus 9, this one is also a linear equation. Why? Because 3 is playing the role of a, b is equal to 9, and a is the unknown part. As you see, a is playing the role of x. As I said in the previous video guys, when I explained equations, that we can always represent variables or unknowns using letters. And of course here guys, it's better not to call a as a variable because it's unknown, and we will see that we can find this value. And you will see also guys, if a linear equation or any linear equation in the form ax plus b equal to 0 have a unique solution. So in the next part guys, I'm going now to explain how do we find the equation, or how do we find the solution of a linear equation. So basically I'm going to explain solving a linear equation starting from the general rule or from the definition, then I'm going to explain it in general, then I will use a particular example to help you understand how we deal with linear equations. So first of all, solving linear equations guys, or solving any equation, this means that to find the values for x that satisfy the equation. So here guys, all what you need to do is to try to isolate x. So first of all, I can say that ax is equal to negative b. Since ax plus b equal to 0, this means that ax equal to negative b. What I did here guys is that I subtract b from both sides of the equation. I subtract b from ax plus b, and I subtract b from 0. And if you want to see, the hidden step is x plus b minus b is equal to 0 minus b, and of course b minus b is 0. That's why I have only a here. Same thing guys, now I need to get rid from a, since between a and x I have multiplication, so I can divide both sides by a, and I will get ax over a is equal to negative b over a, and it follows that x is equal to negative b over a. And of course we said that a cannot be equal to 0, that's why it's safe here to divide by a. And as you see here, a and a will cancel each other. And so now guys, let us solve these two examples as an application about solving a linear equation. So first of all, here we have 4x plus 12. So all what you need to do guys, we need to try to isolate x. So as a first step, I can say that 4x plus 12 equal to 0. This means that 4x is equal, or let me do it step by step. So 4x plus 12. Since I want to get rid from 12, so I will subtract negative 12 from both sides. So 4x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. And as you see here guys, I changed the form, not the value, because I subtracted 12 from both sides. Then after that, it's clear that plus 12 minus 12 will give 0. So this term will disappear, and I will have here 4x is equal to 0 minus 12, which is basically negative 12. Now let me get rid from 4. As you see, between 4 and x I have multiplication, so all what you need to do guys is to divide by 4 both sides. So you'll get 4x divided by 4 equal to negative 12 divided by 4. It follows that x is equal to negative 3, so which means that the solution is negative 3. Yes, of course guys, you can check your answer here by replacing this particular value for x in the main equation, in which if you go back to the main equation and check your answer, so you'll do 4 times negative 3, it will give negative 12. Negative 12 plus 12 is 0, so your answer is correct. So guys, now let me solve another example. So here I have 5x plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 4. In fact, this one is also a linear equation because I have the power of x is only 1. But you can change, you can, as a first step, let us try to change it to ax plus b, or let us the easiest method is to group this order or group these terms in which we can take all x's to the left side and all numerical numbers to the right side. So for example, 5x, right, minus 3x, I can write it as 5x minus 3x is equal to negative 4 minus 12. If you're asking what happened here, guys, as you see, first of all, I changed the location of 3 of x, so I subtracted negative 3 from both sides. So negative, which means that 3x will disappear from here, and here we'll have negative 3x here. Then same thing, I subtracted 12 from both sides. So 12 minus 12, this will become 0, and this will give negative 4, so negative 4, negative 12. In the next step, 5 minus 3, so here I will get like 2x, which is equal to negative 4, negative 12, it's equal to negative 16. Then after that, I divide by 2 both sides, so I get x equal to negative 8. And so guys, as you see, this is how we solve linear equations. Thank you guys, see you later.